Lupit. Taas nun ha. What's up guys, and welcome back po ulit sa ating YouTube channel, no? So for today's vlog, napaka-amazing na naman ang ating nasaksihan ngayong isang performance ni Kuya, no? So bali kumakanta si Kuya dito sa isang karaoke lang, no? Parang may party yata or birthday. So guys, bali kinover na yung kanta na Too Much Love Will Kill You, no? So bali kanta ito ni Jovit Valdivino. So alam naman natin pagdating ng kanta ni Jovit Valdivino is basagan ng ngalangala yun eh. Matataas ang nota nun. So bali kinanta ito ni Mark Madriaga, no guys. So suportahan natin si Mark Madriaga. Ilagay ko na lang yung YouTube channel na sa ating description box, no. So i-visit nyo po ang kanyang YouTube channel guys dahil marami pa siyang mga cover song doon na malulupit, no. So guys, kung interesado kayo sa mga ganitong content na reaction video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated po kayo sa bawat vlog na in-upload ko sa aking YouTube channel, no? So guys, hindi na natin patatagalin to at magbibigay na lang tayo ng reaction after natin mapanood ang buong video. Okay? Let's go! Panis. Parang Jovit lang eh.
So many bitter tears raining down on me. I'm far away from home, and I've been facing this alone for much too long. I feel like no one ever told the truth to me about growing up and what I'm struggling with me. In my tangled state of mind, I've been looking back to find where I went wrong. So much love will kill you.
Sarap kumanta talaga.
Torn between the lover and the love you leave behind. You've headed for disaster, 'cause you never read the signs. Too much love will kill you every time.
Galing, kuhang-kuha.
I'm just a shadow on the man I used to be. And it's
Nakatagay pa yan si Kuya. Partida, nakainom pa yan.
I used to bring you sunshine. Now all I ever do is bring you down. Oh, how would it be if you were standing in my shoes? Can't you see that it's impossible to choose? No, there's no making sense of it. Everywhere I go, I'm about to lose. Oh, yeah. Too much
Lupit.
love will kill you. This
Taas
is
nun, ha?
not enough. It will drain your powers in you, make you bleed and scream and cry. And the pain will make it crazy. You're the victim of your crime. Too much love will kill you every time.
Mark Madriaga, no guys, huwag nating kalimutan suportahan, no? I-subscribe po ang kanyang YouTube channel para mag-viral naman si Kuya, no? At matulungan natin. Parang may birthday ata sa kanila, no? Crap.
Too much love will give you, will make you laugh a lot. Yes, too much love will give you, and you will not listen why. You give your life, you sell your soul, but here it comes again. Too much love will kill you. In the end.
So ayun guys, no, Mark Madriaga, wag nating kalimutan na i-subscribe ang kanyang YouTube channel, no. Paki-visit na rin guys para matulungan naman natin si Kuya dahil deserve din siya kanyang sumikat, no. So kita naman natin ang boss ni Kuya, lumalabas talaga ang tunay na talento kapag nakainom yung isang tao, no. Kaya maganda rin minsan yung kinalabasan ng alak, no guys, no. So guys, maraming cover song si Mark Madriaga sa kanyang YouTube channel. I-visit nyo at i-subscribe nyo na rin siya para matulungan naman natin si Kuya. Malay natin merong isang producer na makadiscovery sa kanya at kukunin siya, no, bilang isang singer, no. So guys, kung nagustuhan nyo ang ating reaction video, don't forget to like this video and i-share nyo guys sa iba pang mga social media account nyo para maikalat pa ni YouTube sa mga hindi pa nakakapanood, no? So hanggang dito na lang muna ang ating vlog. So maraming salamat po sa inyong panunod at sa walang sawang sumubaybay sa ating YouTube channel, no? So hanggang dito na lang muna at maraming salamat po. God bless and see you on my next reaction video.